Hey guys, what's up? It's Queenie here. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you for clicking on this video. If you are new, make sure you hit the subscribe button down below because it is free 99 just for today. If you come back tomorrow, it's going to be $5. I've said this so many times. So if you've heard that before, that means you keep coming back. So you might as well hit the subscribe button. And if you're already subscribed, thank you for coming back and watching another video. So as you can see from my bald head right now, we're going to be putting on a wig. I'm just going to get right into this video, talk as I go, and just get it done because, you know, got places to be, things to do, and I'm sure you don't have all day either. So I have my wig here. This is the Delago wig that I showed you guys maybe 2 weeks ago. She going strong, amazing. So this is the 250 density wig. So all it is, yeah, like it's serious. As I said in the title, this is how I do the lace melting method without glue. If you're like me and you love your edges and you're impatient, you and glue don't work. When I glue down my wigs, my edges are going with it. Okay, so first thing I did is just brush out my wig, and then I'm just gonna place this on my head. So this wig has adjustable straps inside. If you have a wig with an elastic band, even better. You want this to sit tight on your head before you even try to secure it with any products. So I'm gonna tighten this all the way to the end. I do have an elastic band that I could sew on this, but who has the time, you know? I like when it comes with it already. So this is how small the hole is gonna be now, and I'm gonna stick this on my head so it's nice and taut on there. And as you can see, we're not doing that whole bald cap method either. This is the easiest way you can do this. Whew, okay. So I brushed this back so we can really see the lace. So now I'm gonna tie this back just like that. Okay, so the first thing I'm gonna do is go in with my Got To Be Free Spray. If you have any hairspray that's a strong hold hairspray, you can use that. Don't feel like you have to use this. If this is too strong for you, it'll still work with a regular hairspray. When I travel, I buy travel size hairsprays and I secure my wig with those. So first thing I'm going to do is freeze, or I guess spray this down. Spray right across my hairline like that. Then I'm just gonna lightly stick it down. And I'm just sticking the edges. If you want, you can even spray your comb a bit. Just like that. And then apply that at the edge of your lace. Just like that. Honestly, when it comes to making your lace very seamless, all you have to do is take your time. So I pushed everything back so then I could really get the edges. And then I'm just gonna glue this part down. And then that's basically it for this part. You guys can see that it's still a bit like crusty from using the spray. So I find that the part that actually makes it really disappear is using Eco Styler. And sometimes if my wig is tight enough or if it has a band on it, I can do this without the spray and just the Eco Styler. So I literally just put this on top and it just like camouflages the lace into my skin. I don't know if you guys can see that. It's literally gone. So all the like crustiness disappears and it makes it look closer to your skin tone. And then you can use this to kind of do your edges afterwards. So just like that. Oh. Okay, so I think that's enough for the baby hairs, and I'm not going to do too much because I'm going to wear most of my hair back. So I'm just going to take a scarf and lay it on here. But when it comes to the Eco Styler, I find that I have to be pretty generous with it. I don't just put it on the baby hairs, I put it like on the lace, exactly where I put the hairspray. I'm going to leave this for about 10 minutes or until it feels dry, and then I'll take it off and show you guys. Okay, so I've had this on for about 5-10 minutes, and I just straightened my hair while I was waiting. So, ooh, the lace is really flat and that it's sitting on my skin really nicely. Even with just the spray and the Eco Styler, it's like, it's not moving. So to cover up the lace a little bit more, depending on what your knots look like, I'm just gonna go in with a little bit of face powder. And I'm gonna dab it right here. And you can also use translucent powder if you don't like the color of foundation powders, because this does have a little bit of color and it kind of just helps it disappear into your skin. So that just camouflages the knots a bit more. Okay, so that is basically it for this tutorial. As you guys can see, you don't always need the elastic band. It does make it easier, but if you have an adjustable wig, that works completely fine. And then all you're gonna need is a strong hairspray, or you can use the Got2b hairspray, an Eco Styler, and a good amount of it so you can really saturate it onto the lace and then let it sit. I find that putting the gel on the lace helps it become a little bit more transparent, so then you can't really see it. And yeah, so after I've done everything else, I just go in with some mousse, and usually I just use this for the part of my hair, but you can use it along your hairline, but I do prefer to stick with the Eco Styler and the spray, just because the Eco Styler adds a bit more hold than this does. I just put this on my part and in the front of my hair so I can have it stay pushed back out of my face. Just like that. Oh, geez, my comb falling apart. I just brush it back like this, make it look crisp. Okay. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you found this easy to follow. Comment down below what you think and how you guys go about putting on your wigs in the easiest way possible. Make sure you thumbs up this video, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.